this is already gross. Wait a minute. There's no oil. What is going on? Look how messy. Oh my God. What? Okay, so this isn't a professional massage. Like, you can tell, even the table's down too low.
Hey, wax on. Wax off.
Today we're talking about the difference between a skin polish and a well-sorted relaxation massage, and they are worlds apart. This is a good video. Oh, oh, I already don't like this. Look at that. I mean, I get what the hands are doing, you know, but oh no. Well, it just looks confused. What the hell is that? Oh, that was a skip? Man, I would not want to be that person getting a massage. Oh my God, all right. We're going to break this down today because the skin polish is I want to say my biggest cardinal sin, as in the thing that I hate the most out of everything. To me, a skin polish says that you're just not into me or you're just not into your job. I would much rather have a massage from a novice or a partner that doesn't know what they're doing, but they're enthusiastic and they want to be there, which I'm going to show you what this looks like in a massage in a moment. But I'd rather have that connection with the attitude, with that wanting to be there, you know, like nothing else matters. Whereas a skin polish is like, almost everything else is more important than the massage that they're doing right now. Let's break this down. I see what she's doing with the knuckles, and this is a technique that they teach with a relaxation stroke. But I mean, it's all just knuckles over the skin. You know, the whole idea of using knuckles is to get into the muscle. I mean, otherwise, what's the point of using knuckles? You know, the general rule of thumb for me is anything that's bony that goes into tissue is meant to be deep tissue. If you want to give relaxation, use more of an open hand technique or use the long part of your thumb here, you know, heel of your palm. You can even use this part of your hand if you want to sink in, or all four fingers. The minute you start using, say, knuckles, right, or going in deep with the heel of your palm, you're wanting to be working on muscles. And this is, I mean, you're just working on skin. I mean, it's not a huge contact point. This doesn't feel good. It feels rushed. This. Okay. She's just patting the skin down. This must, I don't even know why this clip was, that was just odd, right? She's just meandering. Like, so this is all stock footage. I don't even know why they put that stock footage there. It's just someone meandering. This freaks me out. All right. So the left hand is there. So the whole idea of the left hand is if you're working on a client that you don't go up someone's clacker. I don't know, sorry about the Aussie slang, but so you don't slip into the butt or anywhere else where your hand shouldn't go. But you can see the creases, like the butt creases all the way up there. It doesn't make sense why the hand is sitting that low, and you're missing out on almost all of the back of the leg. But if you have a closer look at what the hand is doing, what the massaging hand is doing, but the right idea is there, using the knuckles and the heel of the palm. Everything's down, right? And that's great. I'm all in love with this. It's fantastic, but there's literally no pressure. It's a skin polish when it should be a deep tissue, slower massage. And you see how you see how the hand just skips over and punches into her other hand. It's not good. That's not good. All right, next clip. What is that all about? So little circular motions using a fist. It just doesn't make sense. Again, it's a skin polish. Like the whole idea of using a fist or any pointy part, like I said before, is to add depth into muscles. And you just, anyways, look at this. Notice how the rest of the body is disjointed. It's all wrist and all knuckles that's doing the work. You know, the rest of the upper arm is just following what the hand is doing. This is exactly what a skin polish is all about. It's mechanical, it's cold, there's no emotion to it, no depth, no character, there's no color. Like, it's just black and white. I'm just polishing your skin. There's nothing attractive, there's nothing alluring, there's nothing passionate about this massage. It just says that the person doesn't want to be there right now. Okay, this is interesting. Watch this. The hand stays stiff all the way through, even through the transitions. It's just a patting motion. What is that? Like, even through the transition, the hand stays exactly the same. That it just looks, it feels how it looks. Does that make sense? And the rest of the body is just, the table is too low for her. That adds to the mechanical feel. It's like when you're not comfortable giving a massage to somebody, it translates in your body. Let's say if you're sitting, even in the melt setup, the way I sit, as soon as you start feeling pain, you'll readjust and shift your body to make that work. And if you can't get comfortable, that feeling of being awkward and not finding a comfortable way of sitting, that translates into your massage, you know, and your hands end up representing how you're feeling on the inside. The other thing about this is, notice how the stroke is not completed. Like, the hands go close to the top of the shoulders, but they never make it all the way up there. This, as a contrast, this is good. Notice how the hands go all the way over the shoulders, come all the way to the front before they return back to the beginning. That's a big deal, right? Completing the stroke makes your partner or the person that you're massaging feel like they're part of a story. It just doesn't finish abruptly. Oh, this is a good example of an abrupt massage. The back of the hand thing, that's not okay. Like, look at this. It's just manic. This person that's getting the massage is not having a good time. I guarantee you. They're just like, oh, please stop right now. Also, you can see this table, way too low. That's going to hurt her back. The hair gives it away. There's all this hair that's dropping down, and she's hunched over. Yeah. That's not, honestly, this is just stock footage. That is not a massage practitioner, 100%. That is not a massage practitioner giving that massage. It's just a model on a model. I want to see if the model is actually, no, she's just deadpan. Well, she's a professional, just sitting there, soaking up the crappiest massage. Oh, that is really bad. All right, so let's break down my techniques. I want to show you what I do and the contrast, right? The difference between these two. This is all in slow-mo, so you can really see what's happening. I'm pushing forward. You can see I'm putting, it's a relaxation massage, but I'm putting emphasis in the tips of my fingers. You can see Emma's skin's folding up. But watch what my shoulders are doing. You can see I'm shrugging up and I'm pushing away from her. My body's getting involved. And watch, Emma comes in, I come right in. I'm animated, come close to her, and then I push off her. And you watch how far back I take my body. Shoulders drop, my body comes right back. Look how animated that is. I'm using my entire self to be in that massage. It's not just hands. And this is what a well-sorted relaxation massage does, as opposed to what a skin polish does. Because a skin polish is just lifeless and mechanical, and it's all just hands, nothing else. Let me show you another clip. The bloody hurts. So this is way animated. Look how close I am to Emma's back. Like, my face is right up close, and as I extend through that stroke and push her forward, again, I'm taking my body back. You can see Emma pops up and then sits back down. My hands go down. Watch this. When I talk about completing the stroke, look at this. My hands are going down. Watch where my fingertips are. They're going to go all the way down until it touches the top of Emma's top. Look at this. Right there. I've gone all the way down to where the skin meets material, and I'm massaging all of it. And this is what I'm talking about, completing the stroke. This is what makes the massage stroke feel full. When you complete the stroke, your partner's brain just makes sense of the world. right? When something ends abruptly where it shouldn't, your partner's brain is like, well, that didn't make sense. Like, I don't feel good now. The story wasn't completed. Whereas finishing the whole stroke and making it feel like it's full and complete and it's meant to be, your partner gets a chance to relax. And they're like, it's all good. It's all sorted. It all makes sense. I can chill out now. And that's what a relaxation massage is. I like this. Okay, so this is a basic stroke. It's done in very slow motion. God, I look so much younger there. Huh. Okay, hands go down. There's a little bit of emphasis on her shoulder. I'm coming in close to her ear. Watch this. It's a whole bunch of body language. So we're about to get into relaxation strokes. Palm down, fingertip down. Nothing special about this massage other than trying to contour to my partner's body. As much surface area as possible. Have a look. My entire body is involved. I want to be there. My chest is in. I'm proud. I'm touching as much as possible. It's not just my hands that are massaging, but she's leaning back on me. Our cheek is up next to cheek. This is what an involved massage is. I mean, you're not going to be doing this in the clinic, but you're having similar intentions where I'm not thinking about anything else but her right now. That's the whole point that I'm trying to put across. So skin polish is like, I'm just thinking about what I'm doing on the weekend, who I'm catching up with, what food I'm going to be cooking later tonight. Whereas a massage like this, where it's involved, it's like the whole world could be crumbling down and I don't care because it's just me and her and we're sharing this experience. That's it, guys. That's the essence. Like, I would much rather a massage from a novice that can do that than have a professional, like the best in the world, giving me a massage and just not want to be there. Just be thinking about everything else other than my body. I'm going to say right now, a professional doesn't do that. A professional brings their A game to every treatment. They want to be there. Even if they're thinking about other stuff, you'll never tell, you know? So maybe that point is muted. But yeah. I love this. You can see there's so much of my body language in there. You know, I'm moving back and forth. Really involved. We're both involved. It's like a dance. Oh, it's so good. Give me that any day. Any day. So I've been debating about this for a couple of weeks now. Obviously, we've changed scenes and clothes and everything. So I've been thinking about this. When is a good time to use the skin polish? And in the beginning, I wanted to give couples some leeway. I think the only time I've decided there is no good time. Like, the skin polish is an absolute no-no. Like, just don't do it. The only good time, or the only time, would be if you're completely fresh and brand new to massage, like your hands are green. But then again, like getting Melt's masterclass, you'll lick that in the first night. Just in the basic series should fix the skin polish immediately. There should be no reason that you ever give your partner a skin polish, because skin polishes tell your partner that you're just not into them. I mean, I'm not the best practitioner in the world. I'm not the smartest. I'm not the most technical. But I am, like, the one thing that I am confident about is that I can bring passion at a world-class level. You know, like, when I'm massaging you, there is nothing else more important, and you feel that. And you can give your partner this. This is a one takeaway that I want you to get from this video is, guys, add passion to your massage. Like, show your partner that you're present, and I promise you that massage that you give them, no one will be able to go better than what you've got. I mean, technique, I can teach you. Technique, no problem. Here's a good example, right? So I had Merkas Health prior to Melt, and that was like, my name was on the company, but I didn't want to be known as the best practitioner inside Merkas Health. I wanted to be known as the person that created the best practitioners, that my practitioners were better than me, and they were. I mean, there's no reason why they shouldn't have been better than me and more technical, because my job was to teach them and their job was to go out into the field and practice what we taught them, practice their craft. And this is what my job is now. That's why I say, like, I'll straight up say that I'm not the best practitioner out there. I used to be amazing, but now my job is to teach couples how to massage, and that is what, that's where my expertise is at. Oh, did you see that light change? All right, guys, listen. Go get your hands on each other. Grab your partner. Just do the basic strokes, even contouring, but do it with feel. Include your body. Be involved. And go ahead, make your partner melt. It's so freaking good for you. Do it this weekend. I'll see you in the next episode. Next one is we're doing fascia. I'm already working on it. It's a good video. I'll see you then. Ciao. I feel as ridiculous as I look. But these are the links that we go to learn about fascia. Fascia. I feel really bad, you guys. I made a promise to myself in my 20s that I would never shit on another practitioner, nor not even another modality. Like, my rule was to just, Dennis, stay in your lane and focus on you. Just do you, nothing else. And here I am pulling a whole bunch of people's hands apart, and I feel bad. I only did this, like, the plan was I've been planning this video for ages, and I wanted to use my own hands to show you what the skin polish looks like. But COVID, I mean, we've been social distancing. Australia's been pretty tough on their laws, and I haven't been able to bring a model in and demonstrate on her. So in this video, I hope when you see me shitting on other people's work, consider it me doing the work, that it's my hands, because I do feel bad looking at it. Except for that one where it clearly isn't a massage practitioner. That was really bad.